Hello, this is Inpreet Kaur with my teammates here, Sojana and Riaz, and we are going to present to you on a IT service management presentation that was supposed to be a poster. The idea to work on this assignment was to improve our communication skills and be better in viewing or editing or video recording here, and also to analyze our understanding on the topic of IT service structure. As you can see on the screen that's been shared here, we have chosen healthcare as the sector in which we'll be presenting our poster. The sector healthcare is one of the most growing ones, that is, it is easy to explain, hence we have used this here. Foremost, let us understand what ITSM, the IT Information Technology Service Management is. The term is used to define the management of process of how the IT services are provided to the customers. It includes services like creating, designing, delivering, and even providing aid when people are going through a problem with their IT management. If they are using a service, they are going through a problem, and that's where our services are provided. That is usually we get it everywhere. Even in our university portals, we do get a IT service desk. So this is something which is a part of ITSM service management. Healthcare is a vast department. You see, healthcare grows with every year. It's growing and growing, and it is occupation which will never end. Here, IT technologies might not reduce the stress of the healthcare department, but it does provide them with the accuracy, handling of data, being available, and giving them a whole lot of accuracy and undoubtful and unquestionable results. Whatever it is, the just to manage the data and to provide their customers a better feedback through an online portal, IT services is going to help them here. See, we can they assist in achieving a higher quality of standards as well. Obviously, customer satisfaction, when the customer is providing getting everything they want from it, and here service management is helps them there. So IT doesn't has to be just technology, it can be anywhere, and healthcare, it's one of the best thing that is helping there. Next I have here is ITIL. So ITIL, this is a full term for, we can say, Information Technology Infrastructure Library. This is a term, and this is here its full form. It is nothing but a set of detailed and learned practices how the service management has to work. Everything has a procedure to work, and IT service management also has a procedure to work, which is known as ITIL. IT and IL sets the rules for its process. Here, service strategy, design, service translation, service operation, and continual service improvements. All are these the procedural steps how the IT service management should work. Management can only work if there is a schedule, there is a planning, and this is what the planning is. It explains the process, what processes the service management has to follow, what tasks they have to do, what do they have to do to make an improvement over there. This is what they follows. So this was what my part here to be presented. Further, the part would be presented with my friend here, Riaz. So I'll be giving my screen over to Riaz. Riaz, you can continue.
So hello friends, this is Muhammad Riazuddin Ahmad. So my contribution in this project, in this poster is I have worked on results like analysis, benefits and service desk. So let us start with analysis. Analysis is nothing but is highly standardized interviews with the respect head of information technology as indicated by the respective organizations were done for the selected hospitals in order to answer the research questions. So in ITSM awareness and use in general as well as ITIL awareness, use or intended use. So let's talk about benefits. It's enabled doctors to relating patients care by automating and streamlining healthcare in IT. And using a finest cloud-based solution, companies can deliver services at scale and at lightning quickness. And using rich monitoring and analytic tools, business can keep an eye on the health of your IT in real-time basis. So create on-demand IT services for 24 hours activities and a mobility workforce. So let us talk about service desk. it is improving of clinical procedure via incident management. So in healthcare IT services, the healthcare business deals with a wide range of clinical gadgets and instruments. With EHR, digital application are also on the rise. As a result, it's critical to answer user complaints as quickly as feasible. Incident management ensures that operations run smoothly and that any infrastructure concern are resolved because medical advice are interconnected. Incident management is essential to avoid services interruptions. Problem management and proactive, it becoming active in healthcare, IT and preventing any potential operations breakdowns offer numerous advantages. Because healthcare involves human life, proactive ITSM is preferable to avoid any risk. So the next part will be described by Saujanya.
Hi friends, this is Saujanya. I'm just going to discuss the discussion like regarding the healthcare with IT systems. As Inpreet has explained you how IT is going to help the healthcare, and he has explained like what are the benefits and services it can do. And here coming this poster have explained how the IT services are beneficial to the healthcare industry, different solutions like software, application process, and also services. Furthermore, it's also highlighted an adoption of the innovation tools and techniques done by the survey in the different countries. According to the findings of this study, the concept of IT service and the IT service management is not widely accepted in the healthcare in the nation and the areas studied. This is also stated that the healthcare facilities will require additional support in order to develop and in order to use the IT services in the healthcare. And in general, healthcare study on the IT services management and the ITIL is scarcity. And here are the references like where we have prepared or collected all the data, and also this is a poster regarding our assignment. Thank you.